Hey everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. So over the weekend, I went to the summer camp at Lake Lottawashi retreat with 3 craft chicks up in Spokane, Washington. And I've known Michelle and Lauren for a long time, and they're just the sweetest people ever, and it was really fun. So I just thought I would do kind of a quick walkthrough of the projects and whatnot that we did. You do get a ton of time just to crop and work on your own projects, which I did. Something that is just for me. There is not going to be a tutorial. I just literally have not done that for so long, and it was amazing. So I'll get to that in a minute. So the 3 Craft Chicks retreats, you start with a kickoff. That is an optional sign up if you want to. And you always get a goodie bag at kickoff. So in our goodie bag, we got 2 of the Simple Stories card kits, which I didn't do these yet because I wasn't sure if I already had these at home, and I'm pretty sure I have this one, but not this one or the other. Anyway, so we had the 2 card kits, and then we had 2 just really quick projects. One of them was just this very easy kind of tag album. You decided how you were going to do this. Just super, super fast, super easy. You can see I got totally carried away here. And then it had this cute little wood cutout and the sticker sheet and a bunch of just papers that went together, and it was just really fun. The other project for kickoff was, get hold of it, cards. So this was a card kit designed by Lauren using the Great Outdoors paper line from Doodlebug, and this is just super cute. She does the best, like, just simple fun cards. Like, I can't even come close. She does an amazing job. So this was our other little make and take for kickoff. And then, of course, there's always like little table gifts and things. And so since this was summer camp, we had our washi bug catcher full of washi tape. Just tons of washi tape in there, like all kinds of different ones that I need to sit and go through here in a little while. We also had our doodle bug catcher. So we've got a doodle pop and some shape sprinkles and a little net. We had, of course, our snacks, which of course are gone, but the little sticker on the bag was too cute, so I brought that just so I could show you guys. We also had, and I feel like I'm missing something. I know I'm missing something and I can't think what. That's okay. And then we had these cute little backpacks that were made by Joan Presnell. And she did these just with a scoreboard. Like, how stinking cute. And then a little acrylic flower on there. And we got our exclusive 3 Craft Chicks pen. So we've got the little Doodlebug Yeti for that. And then Lauren and Michelle had put together a little thing with washi tape and just a little camp journal that all sit down inside of the adorable little backpack. And then, of course, there's treats throughout the weekend, and one of them was cookies in this cute little basket that was also made by Joan, as were the cookies, and her chocolate chip cookies are delicious. So those, of course, got eaten. Now, aside from that, I had some really awesome table mates that did fun little gifts. So I had Suzanne, who did this cute little tent, and I guess this is a silhouette file, and it was full of, little treats and things. And she also did this adorable little backpack, and so we had some little stickers and some band-aids in there, because you always need those at camp. And with paper crafting, honestly, I'm surprised I don't have some in my bag somewhere. So I have cut myself more than once. But this had, some little treats and things in it as well. And then Miranda, who was also at my table, did this cute little Post-it note holder. And this is a Lori Whitlock file. I've already scoped it out to download it because it's seriously, like, super cute. So she did that. Plus she did, oh my gosh, let's see here. She had this little bag that is just adorable that also had some snacks and things in it, and then just some fun little things that she had found online. So we've got all these little planner bookmarks that are absolutely adorable. I love that little lemon. It's just so cute. So that was really fun. And then I believe this was also in the little bag from Miranda. And then Jody had also, who was also at my table, had done these little Rolodex cards for everybody. And she also put with this $5 gift card for Starbucks, which, you know, we don't sleep at these things, so it's desperately needed. Oh, and then here's my little lanyard with the little s'mores and my name. I know what I'm missing. I knew it would come to me. And where did I put it? Oh no, it's here somewhere. There it is. Okay, I know I'm not totally crazy, just a little bit. So this was the other part of our fun goodies from Lauren and Michelle. So we had a sequel story to The Monster of Lake Lottawashi, which was written by Jim, Michelle's husband, and he had done this for the first Lake Lottawashi summer camp that got pushed to virtual by COVID 2 years ago, and I have it somewhere. I'm not sure where. I know it's saved somewhere in my closet, but he wrote a sequel to it, so that was super cute. And then we had cute little lip balm holder that will, you know, attach to like your purse or whatever, and lip balm in there with the summer camp at Lake Lottawashi, which, I mean, come on, that's the cutest name. I can't even stand it. And then we have our charm, because every time you go to a 3 Craft Chicks retreat, the very first one you get the bracelet and a charm. After that you just get a new charm for every retreat. So these are always fun. And then Cynthia Flannery made pillowcases for the first summer camp 2 years ago. And this year, let me turn him right side up. How stinking cute is this fabric? It's like a flannel, it's soft, it's so nice. I absolutely love it. But this is just too cute. And I'm so going online and finding this fabric so I can make another one to put them in our trailer because I can't stand it. It's too cute. Okay, so back to other little fun things. So then my friend Jamie had made some of these for her table mates, and she made one for me as well. And this is Tiffany's little mini backpack tutorial. And so she had made these and filled these with goodies, so that was definitely fun. And then my friend Trisha did these for a lot of us. So the little vinyl, I've got to figure out where I'm going to put this because it's too cute. And there's a little camper keychain in there, so I'm going to put that on with our trailer keys, so that's perfect. And then, let's see here. So then we had a couple of make and takes. So we did this one with the little library pocket that apparently my thing is stuck to, and the library card from Lael. So that was cute. And then Joey from Photo Play did a couple of cards. So this one is a little pop-up birthday card. And then we have a little Christmas easel card. So there you go. So that was fun. And then our projects. So let's start with Lael. So Lael did 2 Traveler's Notebook inserts. I don't have the Echo Park Traveler's Notebook, so I just, rather than do some of the little extra pieces that were kind of meant to like slip underneath the elastic in a Traveler's Notebook, I just put them inside this one. And same thing here, I just created a little fold out there. Just because I do like the notebooks, I like their size, but I use them for other things. So that was definitely a fun one. Excuse me. And then Joey from Photo Play, we did one of their Maker Series explosion boxes. So let me move that actually. So here it is. It's got a little bitty accordion in the middle, and then you've got all these little pockets and things in here, and super, super easy to put together. Really a fun project. So that was definitely one of my favorites. And then Lauren did this absolutely adorable layout. So this is using the Doodlebug Great Outdoors. And I mean, come on, how cute is this with the little tent flaps? I love it. Absolutely love it. And I'm not a layout person typically. I'll put them together. I absolutely love this one. This one's just super cute. So we did that. And then we also did, this was another Lauren project, cutest little acrylic camera with the little shaker on the front. And this was one of these kind of, you know, here's what I did, you kind of just run with it. And I got really carried away. Mine's like super, super chunky. So I did like a little pocket here, a little mat. I literally used every piece of paper that they gave us with this because how could I not? It's too cute. So just a little flip out there and, you know, so on and so forth. It just kind of repeats as you go through here. And then on the back I did actually attach the paper there and then did the sticker on the back. And then it also has this cute little acrylic camera dangle. So that was fun. And then Lauren's other project was this fun folder album. So I've done one of these of hers before with, I believe it was a Halloween one last year, possibly the same retreat. I don't remember for sure. But this is just, these are super easy to do and really fun. And you're just using file folders. So you've got like lots of space and you can tell how much I actually inked there. And they're just fun. And like this paper line is the Simple Vintage, oh my gosh, I've lost the name of it. Which one it was. Simple Vintage Cottage Fields, that's right. Which I have a bunch of this and I didn't ever get around to doing anything with it. But this was so fun. We had those big foam stickers that Simple Story Stuff does that I absolutely love. But check how cute this is. So this is the piece that you cut off of this folder to make the pockets, and you added it back in as just like a little flip page in here. So that was just cute. Yeah, so that was a fun project. And I totally went rogue. This is not what hers looked like. Hers was gorgeous, but I was like, I want the black paper on the front, so here we are. And then, oh, my project. So I taught a project for this retreat. So I just did a very simple folio with the Doodlebug Great Outdoors. So you've got just a little belly band, and then it opens up like this, and, oops, if I can get hold of it, like this, and then these, of course, are pockets with little tags in there. So just a really simple, really easy project because I didn't want to scare anybody up there with like what I normally do. So I got to teach this, and it was really fun. That was something Michelle and I had talked about me doing for her, like well before COVID. You know, we had talked about me maybe teaching at a retreat at some point in the future, and I'm really happy we got to do it. So I think that's all. And yeah, so it was fun. I thoroughly enjoyed myself, and thank you guys for watching. I'll be back in a little bit with the album that I made during the retreat because it was something just for me, and I love how it came out. So talk to you later.